I saw this really interesting question in the Facebook group today, and so I wanted to post a quick little video here in our community to answer the question. So the question was, if a note is already locked and I want to add an addendum or an additional note afterwards, there's no way to do that. And so there is, without unlocking the note was the concern and seeming like it was maybe going to be shady. So there is actually a way to do that. So I'm going to show how to do that really quickly. So I created a new note here. I went to, my forms, and then I created a new note template. And so now I just have this blank template. I'm going to name it Addendum to Locked Note, and I'm going to add a new question. So in this question, I'm going to I want to make it one question, so I'm going to do a mixed field, or a mixed controls field, and I want just two different spots. Oops. And so I'm going to delete two of these. One of these I want to be the date. I actually want this to be today's date. I do have another little widget that will automatically add today's date, but I just want to make this a little bit quick, so I'm not going to add that here, but I may later. And so I'm just going to make this a date field, and then I'm going to make this the note field. And so I'm going to say date of addendum. And then, let's see. I probably don't need anything here. I'm just going to leave the title of this blank. I want to leave it really easy and flexible, and just, because we don't know if this is going to be a note or what it's going to be. So I'm just going to make this a large paragraph for now. And so how that's going to look, let's go ahead and preview that. Perfect. So I've got the date of addendum, and I've got the paragraph here that I can add to. All right. Now I have a locked note. On this locked note, we're going to pretend this is my session note. So now a couple days go by, and I'm like, you know what? I need to add some things to that note. And so I'm just going to come over here, and I'm going to open up my addendum. All right. So now that I have my addendum note here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop in today's date, and I'm going to save this. And this part is up to you. If you would like to lock this, that's fine. You do not have to. All I'm going to do is come over here with this little grabby guy, and I'm going to drag this into my already locked project note. It's going to give me success. When I come here to my project note, I'm going to scroll down, and you can see underneath my signature, I now have a date and a note. So I hope this is really helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out, and I will talk to you all soon.